Understanding Community Gardens, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept: community gardens. This phrase is not just about gardening. It's a window into culture, community, and collaboration. So, let's dig in and understand what community gardens really means. A community garden is a piece of land gardened by a group of people. It's a shared space where each participant contributes to planting, maintaining, and harvesting. These gardens can grow flowers, vegetables, herbs, and even fruit trees. The key here is collaboration and shared responsibility. Community gardens are often found in urban areas, offering a touch of greenery and nature in the midst of city life. Community gardens serve multiple purposes. Social interaction. They provide a space for people to come together, share skills, and build friendships. Food production. They allow people to grow their own fresh produce, which is especially valuable in urban areas with limited access to fresh food. Environmental benefits. These gardens promote biodiversity, improve air quality, and offer habitats for wildlife. Educational opportunities. They are excellent places for hands-on learning about gardening, sustainability, and the environment. The impact of community gardens on local communities is profound. Strengthening community bonds. They foster a sense of community and belonging. Health benefits. Gardening is a physical activity that can improve mental health and well-being. Cultural exchange. These gardens are often melting pots of different cultures, where people share traditional gardening techniques and plant varieties. Beautification. They enhance the aesthetic appeal of neighborhoods. I hope this video has helped you understand the rich meaning behind community gardens. They're not just about growing plants. They represent community, cooperation, education, and so much more. Thanks for joining us, and happy learning!